Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the physical interface on your Chromebook, so you use the right cable or adapter. This saves time and avoids compatibility problems. Once you have a certified HDMI or a USB-C to HDMI adapter rated for your target resolution, power down or sleep both devices briefly to establish a clean handshake. Then plug the HDMI into the monitor or TV first, and into the Chromebook next. Make sure the display is set to the correct HDMI input. This establishes the base connection you'll configure next. Once the cable is connected, open Settings and go to Device then Displays so the Chromebook detects the external screen. Detection triggers available options. Choose whether to mirror your Chromebook, extend the desktop for more space, or use the external display only, and then set resolution and orientation to match the monitor for correct sharpness and layout. Make sure to check Quick Settings to switch audio output to HDMI if you want sound through the display, and adjust scaling if UI elements appear too large or small. Finish by verifying the refresh rate and resolution match what the monitor supports to avoid blanking or overscan issues. Higher resolution can require more bandwidth. If the display stays black, disconnect and reconnect the cable, try another HDMI input, or restart the Chromebook to reset the connection. If problems persist, swap the cable or adapter and make sure Chrome OS is updated, as drivers and firmware fixes often resolve detection and audio routing problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.